What percentage of oxygen is in air? 50%, 1%, 21%, 78%. 21%. Oxygen makes up 21% of air and is essential for life. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Diamond, gold, granite, quartz. Diamond. Diamond scores 10 on the Mohs hardness scale, the highest possible. What is the basic unit of life? Cell, atom, organ, tissue. Cell. All living organisms are made of one or more cells. Which particle has a positive charge? Proton, electron, positron, neutron. Proton. Protons are found in the nucleus and carry a positive charge. What is the chemical symbol for silver? AgAlAuPb. Ag. Ig comes from the Latin word argentum meaning silver. How many planets are in our solar system? 7, 9, 8, 10. 8. Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006, leaving 8 planets. What is the unit of pressure? Joule, Pascal, Newton, Watt. Pascal. Pascal measures force applied per unit area. What is the smallest particle of an element? Cell, atom, molecule, electron. Atom. Atoms are the building blocks of all matter in the universe. What is the chemical symbol for water? H2O, CO2, O2, H2. H2O. Water is made of 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen atom. What is the process of vapor turning into water called? Precipitation, freezing, condensation, evaporation. Condensation. Condensation occurs when water vapor cools and becomes liquid water. Which is the smallest planet? Venus, Earth, Mars, Mercury. Mercury. Mercury is only slightly larger than Earth's moon. What is the normal human body temperature? 38 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Celsius, 36 degrees Celsius, 39 degrees Celsius. 37 degrees Celsius. Body temperature above 37 degrees Celsius is considered a fever. Which planet is farthest from the Sun? Neptune, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. Neptune. Neptune is about 4.5 billion kilometers away from the Sun. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Mercury. Venus. Venus is similar to Earth in size and mass but much hotter. Which force keeps planets in orbit around the Sun? Magnetism, friction, gravity, centripetal force. Gravity. Gravity is the attractive force between objects with mass. What is the chemical symbol for potassium? P-T-P-U-P-O-K. K. K comes from the Latin word kalium meaning potassium. What is the speed of light? 150,000 kilometers per second, 300,000 kilometers per second, 100,000 kilometers per second, 500,000 kilometers per second. (300,000 kilometers per second). Light travels 300,000 kilometers every single second. Which part of the cell controls all activities? Mitochondria, ribosome, cell membrane, nucleus. Nucleus. The nucleus contains DNA which controls all cell functions. What is the chemical symbol for copper? CrCOCACU. Cu. Cu comes from the Latin word cuprum meaning copper. What is the unit of electric current? Volt, ohm, ampere, watt. Ampere. Ampere measures the flow of electric charge per second. What is the chemical symbol for carbon dioxide? H2O, NO2, CO2, O2. CO2. Carbon dioxide is exhaled by humans and absorbed by plants. Which gas do plants absorb from air? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. Carbon dioxide. Plants use CO2 during photosynthesis to produce glucose and oxygen. What is the chemical symbol for gold? CuAuFeAg. Au. Au comes from the Latin word aurum meaning gold. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Mars, Earth, Mercury, Venus. Mercury. Mercury completes one orbit around the Sun in just 88 days. What is the freezing point of water? 5 degrees Celsius. -5 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius. -10 degrees Celsius. Zero degrees Celsius. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and becomes solid ice. Which particle has a negative charge? Neutron, positron, proton, electron. Electron. Electrons orbit the nucleus and carry a negative electric charge. Which is the largest planet? Neptune, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. Jupiter. Jupiter is so large that all other planets could fit inside it. What is the unit of power? Watt, Newton, Joule, Pascal. Watt. 1 watt equals 1 joule of energy used per second. Which gas do plants release during photosynthesis? Hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen. Oxygen. Plants release oxygen as a byproduct of photosynthesis. What percentage of nitrogen is in air? 50%, 78%, 1%, 21%. 78%. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas, making up 78% of air. Which planet has the most moons? Uranus, Neptune, Jupiter, Saturn. Saturn. Saturn has over 140 confirmed moons, more than any other planet. What is the boiling point of water? 80 degrees Celsius. 110 degrees Celsius. 90 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius at standard atmospheric pressure. What is the process by which plants make food? Transpiration. Respiration. Photosynthesis. Digestion. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis uses sunlight, water, and CO2 to produce glucose. Which particle has no charge? Electron. Proton. Neutron. Positron. Neutron. Neutrons are neutral particles found in the nucleus of an atom. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? SOSANANI. Na. Na comes from the Latin word natrium meaning sodium. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. Nucleus. Golgi body. Ribosome. Mitochondria. Mitochondria produce ATP, which is the energy currency of the cell. What is the unit of electric resistance? Ampere. Watt. Ohm. Volt. Ohm. Ohm measures how much a material opposes electric current flow. What is the unit of force? Pascal. Watt. Joule. Newton. Newton. Force is named after Sir Isaac Newton, who discovered gravity. Which planet is known as the red planet? Saturn. Mars. Jupiter. Venus. Mars. Mars appears red due to iron oxide, rust, on its surface. Which is the most abundant gas in air? Carbon dioxide. Oxygen. Hydrogen. Nitrogen. Nitrogen. Nitrogen makes up about 78% of the Earth's atmosphere. What is the process of water turning into vapor called? Freezing. Evaporation. Condensation. Precipitation. Evaporation. Evaporation occurs when liquid water absorbs heat and becomes water vapor. What is the center of an atom called? Neutron. Proton. Nucleus. Electron. Nucleus. The nucleus contains protons and neutrons at the center of an atom. Which vitamin is produced by sunlight? Vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin K. Vitamin D. Sunlight triggers vitamin D production in human skin. What is the unit of energy? Joule. Pascal. Newton. Watt. Joule. 1 joule equals the energy used when applying 1 Newton of force over 1 meter. What is the chemical symbol for lead? PBLELILA. PB. PEB comes from the Latin word plumbum meaning lead. What is the unit of electric voltage? Joule. Volt. Ampere. Watt. Volt. Voltage measures the electric potential difference between 2 points. What is the chemical symbol for oxygen? CO2. N2, H2O, O2. O2. Oxygen is a diatomic molecule essential for breathing. Which organ in the human body produces sound? Tongue, vocal cords, lungs, throat. Vocal cords. Vocal cords vibrate when air passes through them to produce sound. What is the chemical symbol for iron? CuFeZnAu. Fe. Fe comes from the Latin word ferrum meaning iron. Which vitamin prevents scurvy? Vitamin B, vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin C. Vitamin C. Scurvy is caused by vitamin C deficiency and was common among sailors.